Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I will walk you through how to connect Printify to your TikTok shop so you can sell custom products directly through TikTok. This is perfect for print on demand creations. This is perfect for print on demand creators who want to monetize viral content and reach millions of users organically. Before we start, make sure you have this ready. A TikTok shop seller, sign up at seller.tiktok.com. A Printify account free to create at printify.com. Your business documents and basic store pending. A connected payment method on TikTok shop. Once you have that ready, let's begin. Step 1. Go to Printify dashboard and click on add product. Before we start, sign into your account, enter your sign in credentials, login credentials, and click sign in. Now click on my products tab or click add product. Choose a product like a t-shirt or mug. Go to dashboard, then choose one from here. Now click start designing. Now upload your design and customize the colors and variants. Set the product title, description, and pricing. From Upload tab, click My Device, then load it. Then click Save. Now click Skip Tour, then select Front Back, and then click Save Selection. Don't publish it yet. We will manually sync it with TikTok later. Once your product is ready, click on More Actions. Then download product details. This will give you the product description, mockup images, and variant information. You will use these assets to manually list the product on TikTok shop. Then click out, place it. Then click start now and follow the process. Now go back to Printify. You will use this asset to manually list the product on TikTok shop. Now head over to TikTok Seller Central. Choose your region, product, then use information from Printify to fill, like product title, description, upload images and mockups, set price and stock. You can match Printify's base price plus your markup. Set the product category carefully. TikTok may require approval if it's clothing or accessories. Since TikTok Shop doesn't integrate directly with Printify, you will fulfill orders manually. When someone orders from TikTok, you will see a notification on TikTok Seller Central. Copy the customer information, go to Printify, then of orders, then create manual order, paste the customer shipping details, select your product, submit the order, and Printify will fulfill it for you. Then click shipping, enter first name, last name, recipient first name, last name, email address, phone number, and follow the process. Click calculate shipping, submit the order, and Printify will fulfill it for you. It takes a few minutes per order, but it works great for smaller shops. Want more sales? Try these tips. Create short videos showing your products in action. Add trending sounds and hashtags. Use TikTok Live to promote your shop. Add your product links to your bio and product showcase. Respond to comments quickly and encourage followers. From your Printify dashboard, you can see the insights. Then go to store settings and you will choose where you would like to sell, like Europe or non-Europe country. Then go to wallet, then payment section. Now add your payment details like Google Pay, PayPal, etc. And that's how you connect Printify to TikTok Shop, even without a direct integration. It's simple, scalable, and a great way to start earning from your content. If this helped you, please like and subscribe for more print on demand tutorials. Got questions? Drop them below. See you in the next time. Thanks for watching.